Hi and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to automatically add your names and emails in Docusign. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is head over to our Google Chrome browser over here and then click on the search bar and search for Docusign. And if you do not already have an account, you're going to head over to the first link that you can see on my screen. Click on that and then head over to the sign up page and follow the processes that are bound. If you already have an account like we do, we are just going to head over to our Docusign account. Automatically adding your signal names and emails in Docusign saves you time and eliminates every form of stress or repeated manual entry, especially when you want to send many envelopes. Below are three reliable methods to automate this. Alright, so Docusign automatically saves your contacts that you've used before. When you type a name or email, it will just auto refill it. So the first thing you want to do is to log in like we already said, and then you click on the start button over here on the first page. Alright, to send an envelope, and then it will take you to this next page. So in this add recipient page, which is this, head over here, you're going to type in the name of the recipient and their email addresses, and if they are recipients that you've already used before in the past, their names would automatically appear, as you can see displayed on my screen. So I've used these recipients before, so their name automatically comes up on my page, as you can see. So this is one way that you can automatically add names and emails in your Docusign account. So this is a simple and straightforward tutorial, and I hope that you got the process. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until the next one, bye for now.